Hey, good morning, guys. It's Havasu Lou out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great day so far. We're on our way to check out a beautiful custom golf course home. Backs right to the golf course. It's a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, beautiful outdoor pool area. Hang out with us, check it out with us, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 2741 Via Naranja. This is right on the golf course. It was just reduced $30,000. Looks like it has a little bit of side parking. It's in a great area. Paver driveway, natural gas, underground utilities. All nice houses out here in the residential estates. So you can see the mini split units down there, so the air conditioning is in the garage. Nice desert landscaping. Nice front entryway, travertine tile. So you got a vacant lot next door that they'll be building on sooner than later. Let's go on in and check it out. All right, guys, so this is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath pool home built in 1984. It has 2,740 square feet, a 1,540 square foot garage, big residential estates lot, 12,632 square feet. Nice open living area. It's a 2-story. It's got integrated sound, fireplace, nice tiled entry. Nice granite counters, upgraded cabinets, recessed LED lighting, it looks like. Cool copper sink. Can't wait to check out the backyard. Okay, so this one has 3 master suites out of the 5. One of those is a casita. So on our right, the first bedroom that you hit is a master suite, and it's pretty big. And this is at the front of the house. Has speakers in here as well, his and her type slider closets. You have the master bath, granite counters, skylight, tiled walk-in shower with a rain head. So right across on your left is the guest hallway bath, copper sink, granite counters, full shower tub, and a door out to the pool area. So this is the next room we hit. I guess you could call this a bedroom. We'll see. It does have technically a window and a closet. And it has a slider right out to the pool area. It's kind of a little Arizona room. So the next room on your right is the laundry room. Also has a skylight, beer fridge, and the door to the garage that we'll go check out shortly. So at the very end of the hallway, you have another bedroom, non-master suite. Standard setup with your sliding door, closet. All right, let's go upstairs and check it out. All right, you have double doors into a master suite at the top of the stairs. Really good size. 2 ceiling fans. Has a wet bar with room for a fridge. Nice master bath with double sinks, skylights, nice walk-in shower, dual heads. Not sure if this is considered the casita, or I would consider this the master, but we'll have to see. Has a huge walk-in closet. Let's go check out that view deck real quick. So the upstairs master has a huge deck with travertine tile, stairs from the outside, killer panoramic golf course views, amazing custom pool area. Looks like it's got a little lazy river. Pretty awesome. Water features, waterfall, water slide. I'm not going to throw the valves because I don't want to break anything. Nice Baja shelf. Little putting green over there. Check out. All right, so we are in the garage, and this is the door out of the laundry room. So that's a big 2-car, 10-foot door, the master lift. It's got AC and swamp cooling in here. It's got a little man cave set up back here with a TV, killer ceiling fans. Looks like it's got air plumbed throughout. Pretty killer setup. Double slider out to the pool area. Also has integrated speakers in here as well. You have your single bay. So there was a little question about the depth. They missed something, but it's 47 feet back here in the RV garage with a 14-foot door. It does have a 50 amp receptacle. So I'm assuming that that is just a couple feet shy of 47 feet. This also has AC, epoxy floors, insulated garage doors. Let's go check out the pool area. Down the casita, it's in the very back of the garage here, has a full bath. Well, actually, it's not a full bath. That's not a tub, I don't think. It's just a walk-in shower. It looks like tile, but I think it's stamped concrete. Nice little closet. Huge ceilings. Big bedroom with air conditioning. Little mini split unit. Nice little coffee maker. Microwave. Slider out to the pool area. So if you look up there, there's a loft, and it looks like to get to that loft, you got to pull down the staircase, which I'm not going to do. All right, guys, so we are out at this amazing backyard pool setup. I mean, this is a super custom pool. Wish I could throw the valves and let this thing run. It's got a water slide, little grotto with a waterfall. Custom concrete and stonework, all travertine decking, beautifully landscaped. Pop-ups on the Baja shelf. Looks like everything's in really good condition. A little walk across bridge. Another Baja shelf with pop-ups and another water feature over there in the corner. Hot tub. Little palapa for your umbrella. Outdoor living area and barbecue area. Kitchen setup. This is a custom kitchen setup right here. Nice barbecue. Stairs up to the view deck. Lots of details in this property. Nice golf course views. Gate out to the golf course area. Lighted stairs up the water slide and water feature up here. I'm not going down. All right, let's go check out that little putting green setup they got. I noticed they have little holes, umbrella holes everywhere, so you can just kind of be in the shade wherever you want to be. Also has a full security system with cameras everywhere. Speakers are integrated out here as well. Here's your automation panel for the pool and all your equipment. It's not leaking, which is good. Got a little putting area back here. Little 5-hole. All artificial grass, of course. They did put in drains. Everything looks to be in excellent condition. Hey guys, Havasu back again with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video walkthrough. If you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. I'll also put a direct link to the listing detail page so you can check that out as well. This looks like it was set up as a vacation rental. It's got cameras, all the switches and outlets are labeled. It would make a perfect vacation rental for somebody. Right next to the golf course, killer pool, lots of parking for boats and stuff. So anyways, you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.